Hi there, kvCORE admins and owners. This is Annalisa with Inside Real Estate, and I wanted to make sure you were aware of a really amazing, dynamic new tutorial we released this week, and I think it's really going to help out your folks who may need to have some refreshing content to get reacquainted with the system, or your new folks who are just jumping in. They're like, what? Now I have it, what do I do with it, right? So in addition to the training of which you'll get with the system when you onboard, we also have this learning portal here at the bottom left-hand side of your dashboard. And when you click into this little cap here at the bottom left, this opens up our core learning portal. Now within, we do have the kvCORE Quick Start, which everyone should be going through, of course, when they first get access. However, we just launched this agent success plan, and this is really dynamic, and it is a give and take. So it's going to ask the agent or the person taking the class to actually answer some questions to move on to the next segment to make sure there's a good understanding of what was covered. Now, when your agents click into this, or your users, you can see there's 45 lessons within. And it's actually going to walk them through a course overview, a couple of videos, and then there's a couple of things of which they can print out here. The first of which is the goals for results and the course handout. So I'm going to go ahead and click resume course so you can see what I'm speaking to here. And what'll happen is when you jump in, the video will, or whatever course you were in, is going to pick up exactly where you left off. So you can see here that I logged in, I'm 2% complete because I have watched the course overview so far. Now, as your agents move through and click the complete and continue here, the system will then check off different segments. So now I'm at 4% complete. So anytime you need to duck out and come back, it's always going to track where you left off so you can come back to that. Now, in speaking into the agent success plan here, in the introduction, this is where your folks are going to be able to print out the goals for results and the course handout. And it's real important that they do this because there is a 4-week course entailed here that each have different segments that were of the ask on how to learn kvCORE. And these match up with the Agent Success Plan course introduction here, where it speaks to what it's about, the homework of which might be assigned, how to connect with support, training information, and then the overview of each week. And they actually have a checklist that they should be completing to make sure they have an understanding of how it works. So again, to access this is going to be on the kvCORE dashboard. Click the bottom left learning portal, and then you'll click the tile that says Agent Success Plan and go from there. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the week. Bye-bye.